Hello, my dear students. So, how are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, kids, do you know what are we going to study today? We're going to study. Okay, let's keep it a secret. Let's talk about something else. So, tell me this that everyone loves dancing, right? Everyone loves dancing on different songs because it gives you energy and you feel so happy dancing. So, why am I talking about dancing today? Can you tell me? Can you think why ma'am is talking about dancing today? Okay, so I will tell you. I am talking about dancing today because we are going to study about different kinds of dance forms. You know, our country, our India, have so many famous dances that you have not yet studied about. So we are going to study about different dance forms today. The first dance form which we are going to study is Bharatnatyam. What is it? Bharatnatyam. It is the famous dance form of southern India. It is originated, basically it is performed in temples and courts. So, why do we call it Bharatnatyam? We call it Bharatnatyam because it is said that Bharat Muni, who was a saint, he started this dance form. That is why it is named after his name, Bharat. So, that's why we call it Bharatnatyam. Okay, so the second dance form is Kathakali. Kathakali is the famous dance form of Kerala. It is a classical dance. Basically, it is a drama, kind of drama, which is performed by especially males, but nowadays females also perform Kathakali. The dancers do colorful makeup, cosmetics, and wear different kinds of face masks while performing the dance. Kathakali is developed as a Hindu performance art and is very famous dance of our India. The third dance form that we are going to study is Kathak. Kathak is very famous dance from North India and it is performed by Kathakars. Basically they are known as storytellers. We call in Hindi them Kathakars. They mainly perform this kind of dance for bhakti and devotion towards God and Goddess. Kathak particularly tells about childhood stories of Hindu god Krishna and it mainly emphasizes the rhythmic foot movements. Rhythmic foot movements are the main part of this dance, and the dancers, the Kathakars, wear small bells which are basically known as ghungroos in their foot. The fourth dance form is Odishi. It is generally performed in the Hindu temples of Odisha, which is an eastern coastal state. It is generally performed by women and it expresses religious stories and ideas of Vaishnavism and other Hindu god and goddess. The fifth dance form is Manipuri. It is also known as Jagoi and it is the main dance form of Manipur. Basically formed on the themes of Hindu god or goddess, mainly inspired by the drama of Radha Krishna called Ras Leela. So these performances have unique costumes which are known as kumil. It generally looks like drums. The sixth dance form is Satriya. It is the dance form of Assam and it is related to dance drama basically originated with Krishna. Krishna, Hindu Lord Krishna. It is all about the bhakti movements. It is a kind of devotion towards God. The saint who developed this form was Sankar Dev, was known as Sankar Dev. Performed in monastery temples, the main themes are Radha Krishna and Ram Sita. The seventh dance form is Mohini Yatam, mainly known as Mohini Attam. It is the dance form of Tamil Nadu. In this, it is named after Mohini, a mythical enchantress avatar of Hindu god Vishnu. Hindu god Vishnu took avatar of Mohini, who helped the good people over evil and punished evil. The eighth dance form is Kuchipudi. It is originated in the village of Krishna district in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It is related to temples and spiritual beliefs, all these spiritual beliefs related to god and goddess. The musical instruments used are veena and flute. The team that perform the team performance are mainly on Hindu religious festivals, and it is mostly the traditional night performance when everyone is free from their work. The ninth dance form and is the most famous dance form, which is known as Bhangra. Everyone knows that dance form. It is the main dance form of Punjab and it is very lively and energetic. It is initiated by farmers who wanted to celebrate the Baisakhi festival, which is mainly the harvesting festival. So slowly and gradually it became adaptive to so many weddings, functions, and everyone loves this kind of dance. The dance steps are performed on the beats of dhol and drum. The last dance form and the 10th dance form is the Garba, which is the famous dance form of Gujarat. It is mainly to celebrate the festival of Navratri, and the special clothes are wear to celebrate Navratri, which is Ghagra and Choli. Mainly the team goes round in circle singing and clapping. So now we are done with the different kinds of dance forms of our country, India. So we'll meet in our next video. Take care. Bye bye.